Idiya커피 is the largest coffee chain in Korea. Its commitment to producing the country's best offerings has now led to the opening of its state-of-the-art production facility, Ediya Dream Factory. Sitting on a compound of 13,000 square meters and with $40 million invested, Dream Factory produces ingredients such as powder, Ediya's instant coffee Beanist, and up to 6,000 tons of roasted beans a year. It is the first in Korea to have adopted world-class roasting equipment, from green bean sorting to selection, roasting, and packaging. The entire process is automated for greater efficiency and higher quality. This automated process begins with the careful selection of quality green beans from around the world. Coffee beans are placed into a 12-meter high preconditioning facility where they undergo 4 stages of selection. The preconditioning process minimizes the defect rate by choosing the finest green beans, which are then roasted in a way that preserves their original flavor and aroma to the fullest. Impurities are removed in the first preconditioning phase using perforated plates to detect anything that is a different size to the green beans. As they move on to the next phase, dust is removed by the dust collector. In the second phase, a rotating magnetic drum gets rid of any metallic substances mixed in with the green beans. The third phase removes heavier impurities like stones using air pressure and a reverse rotation belt. Impurities that are heavier than the weight of the green beans are removed as they go along the belt. As the green beans are lighter, they are blown to the next phase by air pressure. The final phase of preconditioning involves color inspections to check not only the color and brightness of the beans, but also their shape and size, to remove any beans that do not fit the specifications. Since defects in the beans may lead to an unexpected flavor and aroma during roasting, they must be separated from the start through multiple selection phases. Preconditioning is one of the most important processes to ensure consistency in the flavor and quality of roasted beans. After the preconditioning process, the green beans are sent by air pressure to the next process. The green beans are transferred to a storage silo before roasting. By changing the mixing ratio with the help of the scale at the bottom of the silo, a variety of roasting options can be used. Dream Factory is the first facility in Korea to adopt the latest equipment from Buehler and Probot, 2 of the world's best roaster manufacturers. It uses 2 different types of roaster, hot air roasters and semi-hot air roasters. Hot air roasters produce a strong, hot wind to roast green beans instantly in their intense heat. They are appropriate for mass production. Semi-hot air roasters use both conduction heat and convective heat to ensure a more stable roasting and consistency in the flavor and aroma of roasted beans. This mixture of roasting methods allows for the mass production of roasted beans that cater to the changing taste buds of consumers. To protect the roasted beans from being damaged, they are transported through the tubular push conveyor to the roasting silo. Inside the silo, the scale and the blender create the optimum mixing ratio for blending. The blended beans are then moved on to the packaging facility. From interior packaging to boxing for delivery, the entire process is fully automated. This mass packaging system turns out products of different sizes and uses, including roasted beans for franchised coffee shops across the country, and bulk packaged roasted beans for B2B uses. During the packaging process, rigorous quality control is performed to check for any defective products. Beans that have passed the quality inspection are loaded onto pallets by robots for shipping to coffee stores. Dream Factory is a comprehensive production facility that produces not only roasted beans, but also instant coffee, coffee mix, and powder products. From Americano to toffee nut latte, Ediya's most popular offerings that are loved by consumers across the country are now available in the form of an instant coffee stick. Beanist coffee sticks allow coffee lovers to enjoy their favorite coffee anywhere and at any time. Ediya's high-end instant coffee, which embodies its technology and know-how, is also produced through a fully automated process from mixing to packaging. By producing the highest quality products in its state-of-the-art production facilities, Idiya will promote Korea's coffee culture and help take the country's coffee industry up to the next level. Dream Factory represents Ediya's dream of making all ideals involving coffee come true. This dream is now becoming reality for all of you.